Here's how you can get a marketing agent for your home inspection business absolutely free. The AI marketing agent is included with your website design provided by Inspector Website Builder. Let me show you what you get. Your marketing agent can help you refine your brand and content and messaging. And it has a marketing plan set up for you right there. Big Ben Inspections marketing plan. Now my website measures all of my marketing efforts and it's SEO optimized. That's included with a design from Inspector Website Builder. My marketing agent has given me FAQs to review and approve, a new blog post, social media posts for me to review and approve. And every month there's a social media content plan because it changes every month. I've got weekly social media posts and I can summarize the social media performance. Are the social media posts generating qualified leads? That's the question for social media. I can also manage my email and my paid ads from here as well. The AI marketing agent is included with the website design from InterNACHI's official vendor for website designs, and that's Inspector Website Builder.